and in India. And yeah, so robotics is a wide field, right? So you need arms, you need legs, you need eyes, you need the brain, right? And then you need electronics, all of that. So on a very high level, a robot consists of a set of wheels or legs, which gives it locomotion. Uh, it A robot consists of arms, so it gives it the ability to manipulate the world. So it can move the arm, lift the arm, do tasks that are needed. So you have the arms, and then you have the brain, which is where all the compute happens. And then there is something called as perception, so which is the eyes. You want the robot to see and understand its surroundings so it can act intelligently. So suppose imagine an autonomous car, right? A car is driving on its own, and someone on the road comes in front of the car. So a pedestrian comes in front of the car. So the car actually needs to be able to see the pedestrian, detect that a pedestrian is approaching, and slow down and perhaps even stop. So this aspect of robotics is called perception. Perception, just an English word, all we know. Now, all of us know that, right? So perception is seeing something and understanding what you're seeing. It's not just seeing. You can just sit and see, open your eyes and just see and stare and all that. But there's another element. So imagine your friend walks by and a stranger walks by. There is a difference in the way you see things, right? So you suddenly recognize your friend, you feel happy, you want to say hi, you want to go give a hug, right? Well, now is not a good time to give hugs because of COVID and all that, I know, but in general, right? So different aspects in the environment trigger different reactions in your mind. So and you react accordingly. Likewise, so this is actually perception. So intelligently seeing and understanding the world that you see, and then reacting accordingly to it. So my field of specialization within robotics is perception. And today, what we are going to do is, I'm very excited, super excited. We are trying to get you guys started on face detection. Do you guys know? I think you guys have an idea of what face detection is, right? So you have your phone, you unlock using face detection, and then you might have seen Instagram and Facebook and what else? All of these, you guys are you are more aware of the latest social media than me, I guess. Uh, all of these places you see a box being put around the face, right? That is what we're going to do today. And quick interjection, Sakshi, is there a way I can actually see the participants? No, right? There's no chance of that.
Yeah, I mean, it's their personal choice, so I think just keep going.
I'm sorry?
It's their choice if they want to switch on their camera, so I think you can just keep going for now.
Oh, okay, sure. Alrighty. Yeah, so so today what we are going to do is face detection. It's a demo. Hopefully all of your faces will get detected today. Unfortunately, today's demo is more focused on Windows platform. So if you have a Mac, my apologies. I don't think the demo will work on a Mac computer today. However, I can try to get it working on a Mac, and I can always send you the instructions. So at a later point of time, if you guys are interested, you can just follow the instructions and voila, you'll have your face detected. So let me share my screen. Okay, share. So I have the instructions here, guys. I don't know where at which step you guys are in. So first thing you'll need is you need Python, right? And then you need NumPy, you need OpenCV Python, you need Jupyter Lab, these four. So for that, to begin with, go to the bottom left of your Windows and then press, and then type CMD, and you should see command prompt. Sakshi, can you confirm that you're actually seeing the command prompt option here on my screen?
Yeah, it's all good.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So you can open command prompt, and I can show this again in case someone blinked or did not see this. So I close command prompt. Please go to the bottom left of your search bar, of your Windows screen. You will have a search bar. Type CMD, which stands for command, CMD, command prompt. And then you should see what you call as a terminal, right? A terminal is how you basically communicate with the computer as a programmer or as a computer scientist. This is how you actually talk to the computer. And here in the terminal, what we will do is we will start executing these instructions, right? Okay, control L. Okay, never mind. Clear. Not even that. Never mind. So Python -m, right? Okay, so we will first need to download Python first. So 1 second.
Does anybody have Python already downloaded? Okay, looks like one person does, which is good. Okay, so right now we're gonna go over how to download it so everyone has it before.
Mm-hmm. Okay. I have added more to the Google Doc. So I'm going to share again. Share screen. Share screen. So I request your attention to the Google Docs. First link. I'm going to open that. There we go. So you're going to basically download Python. I will embed this link also. 0. Okay. So let's open this link. I hope you guys are following with me. So download Python 3.8, then just click that, and then an exe file gets downloaded, and you should be able to find it to the bottom left. And then click on that, and then hit install now.
Was everyone able to come to this point?
Yeah, that's a good question, Sakshi.
Yeah, can you give me 5 seconds? I'm still trying to download it.
Yeah,
Sorry.
of course.
Okay, David, sure. Take
Is
your
anyone
time.
else having trouble with this?
Arush, Ethan, Gianna, Sam, Dominic, David, Joe, Ethan, Kevin, all of you guys.
Yeah, just 20 seconds at max.
No worries, mate. Take your time.
One person is asking, when they click on the button, nothing downloads. Does that mean they have it already?
No. So if they actually click download Python, they should find something to the bottom left. It always downloads. Do you see my screen here? It just got downloaded here.
Wait, so do I just click install now?
Yes, that's right. Exactly. You just click install now. Yep.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. David?
Oh, I muted myself.
No worries, buddy. Yeah, I have a quick question for you.
Yeah.
Maybe we can do this. Maybe this is going to be easy for everyone else. Since you have got started on this, why don't you share your screen for just 2 minutes? Let's try to follow with your
The
screen.
host disabled screen sharing.
I'm sorry?
The host disabled screen sharing.
Yeah, I can request Sakshi to enable screen sharing for you, David. Yeah. Let me stop.
Okay, now you should be able to.
Yep. Sorry, this one?
Ah, great. Yeah, perfect. Dheeraj Prakash wants to enter the room.
Should I continue sharing or no?
David, I don't think you're screen sharing. Can you please re-enable that?
Sorry. Here you go.
No worries. Okay, for the sake of everyone else, can you just repeat this process? So can you go to the download link and just re-download it?
Sure. So I went
Yeah.
to Edge. Wait. Edge. Download 3.85.
So there you go. Yeah. So before you click that, guys, I hope you are able to see David's screen. David basically clicked on download, and then to the bottom left, an exe file gets downloaded. This is exe is actually an executable. That's what it stands for. So an executable file got downloaded. I hope you guys were able to follow along. The next step is David will click on that. Yeah, exactly. Open. And then you can uninstall, David.
Oh.
Go ahead and uninstall. Yeah.
It's going to take a little time. My Wi-Fi is.
No worries. This will also give everyone else a little bit of time to come to the same page.
Yep. Can I close this one? Because it's.
Yeah. Yep. Thanks, David. Thanks for being a sport.
Yep.
David, what grade are you in?
Going to 6th.
Going to 6th. Okay. Okay. So now we are uninstalling this, and we will just reinstall it.
Yeah.
So just so that everyone sees it.
Yeah. It's taking a little time. Oops.
No worries. No worries.
Okay.
Perfect. Close, and then download again.
Oh, okay.
Or you can always go back to downloads and find this file. Yeah. Okay. There you go. All right, guys. So now we have started downloading. Yeah, the setup is in progress. David here is downloading Python 3.85. So just hang in there.
Wait. Oh, never mind.
This will get over. Guys, there is a lot of fun at the, in some time. So hang in there, get through the process, get through the setup, and then it's a lot of fun. Trust me. So setup was successful. Congratulations, David. So you can close this.
Yep.
Alrighty. So now, now that you actually downloaded Python, the next step is to basically go back to the PowerShell, the command prompt.
Yep. Wait.
Yeah. Perfect. Thank you, David. And then, alrighty. There we go. Yeah. So you basically type Python -m, Python -m,
Yep.
hyphen m, and then pip install, pip install numpy. I'm sorry.
Any spaces?
Yes. There's a space after. Oh, even after Python, there is a space, my friend.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you will have to go back on the keyboard there. Yeah, there you go. So Python -m pip install numpy. Just hit enter and we'll see what happens, David. Python is not recognized as an internal or external command. Okay. Did you spell that right? Python. Okay. Operable program or batch file. All right. So let's see what happened there. How come? How is that happening? Let me try my command prompt. Okay, me it's working. Alrighty. Okay, so you will have to enter this into your system path. So that's what is needed. So we can do that. Installer 32-bit, and this is what I'm okay.
I can't see your screen because I'm the one screen sharing. So
Okay, so why don't you do this, David? So can you go back to the instructions? Can you go back to that installer instructions?
Oh, installer instructions. This?
Yeah. So go to the Google Docs for a second, and then go to the first link, the link 0, all the way down. Yeah.
Oh.
Link 0. So Python downloads, and then open that. Actually, please go to the first link, not the 0th link. Basically, the second link. Yeah. Link number 1. There you go. Yeah, that's one. Yep. And scroll down, and there you go. So okay, why don't I do this? Please stop sharing for a second. Let me share. Okay, guys, I hope you can see my screen.
Yep.
So now that you downloaded the installer, and once you click open that installer, install now. Just 1 second. Someone is waiting in the room. Stop sharing.
We can figure out the waiting room situation, so you can keep going.
Okay. Yeah, I thought as much. Yeah. Okay, they should have already done the job for you. There you go. Okay, that's what you got to do. So David, that was my bad. So let me share screen. So once you actually download,
Yep.
so you click download, and then you select .exe, and then it says add Python 3.8 to path. You got to select that.
Okay, so do I have to like undownload?
You just have to reinstall. That's all. So just reinstall. So I will stop sharing. You can share your screen again, David.
Okay. Sorry.
No. Don't be sorry. You're doing great.
And then this one. Yep. So I uninstall?
Yes, please uninstall.
It's going to take another 10 hours.
10 hours. Okay. So if anyone else has run into the same issue, please follow the same instructions as David is doing. Just uninstall, and then let's reinstall it correctly.
So what does this install the path thing do?
That's a good question there. So if you add Python to the path, your computer knows where Python is. So you will not run into that issue on the terminal, right? So now can you go?
Recognize it.
Yeah. So can you go back to your terminal while this is uninstalling?
And you recopy the this thing.
Yep. So now there you go. Yeah, can you paste that? See,
Yeah.
Python is not recognized as an internal or external command. That means your computer actually does not know what Python is at this moment.
Mm-hmm.
Even though you installed it,
Yep.
it's your computer does not know the address to that Python installation.
Mm-hmm.
So it's like, here is David and this is his address. He's in Boston and you can find him in this address and all that. Until you actually tell that, yeah, please enable that. Please enable that. And then there you go. Yeah. And then click install now. Now your computer knows where that Python got installed. And you can use Python as a command. It will recognize that as a command now.
Okay. Thank you.
No worries. I hope all our other friends are following along, guys.
If anyone has any questions, you can ask in the chat or in.
Yeah. Feel free to unmute yourself.
Yeah.
Ask questions and anything. Right. This is a very fun interactive session. You don't have to be silent. Hopefully, no one has slept already. Hopefully, everyone is awake and all that. Setup was successful. Congratulations again. And you can close this. Okay. And then go back to terminal. And okay, guys, hopefully this is going to work now. So just can you close this terminal and open a new terminal?
Okay. Yes, it's working. Okay.
Yes. Good job, David. Congratulations. Can you give me a high five there? There you go. Yeah,
Online high five.
Online high five. Exactly.
Woo!
Yay. Nice. Good to see you, David.
Yep.
Fantastic.
Okay.
Yeah. That's going to happen.
So while this is working out, I'll have to do the same with this one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, I'll quickly copy paste.
So now, Sakshi, is there a way we can make sure everyone is following along? Sorry, David. Yeah, go ahead.
Sorry for interrupting, but it says successfully installed. It says you're using version 20.1 version.
No worries. Don't worry about that. Just a warning.
Should I do the next one, basically?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oops. Wait. Okay, you can continue. Sorry.
No worries. Yeah, I was just hoping that, I was hoping everyone else is following along. I just want to make sure that is true. Is there a way to do that, Sakshi?
Yeah. If everyone's following along, they can just put a thumbs up just so we can see.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
So thumbs up in the chat window, you mean? Yay, we are installing OpenCV Python, David. Fantastic. This is also working. It's not a surprise that it's working, but why not celebrate it, right? Yeah, so where would I see those thumbs ups is the question.
If you look at the participants,
Yeah,
you should
I think
see it.
a bunch of them just did it, so I don't know if they're still there. But
Yeah,
Ananya, Dheeraj, Ethan, Arush, Gianna, what do you guys think? Where are you guys? I can help you. You know, if you're stuck somewhere, I can help you. Sam, Dominic, David, Joe, Zoe, and Ethan, Kevin. Yay, Gianna is still here. Okay. Yeah, thanks. That's right. Being slow, still downloading Python. No worries. Yeah. Exactly, David. When I try to install NumPy or OpenCV, it's not OpenCY, it's OpenCV in command prompt. It doesn't do anything. We can wait. Yeah. So why don't you share your screen, Arush? We will go through this for maybe like 2 to 3 more people. By then, hopefully, everyone will have seen enough instances, enough examples, and then we'll see. Hi, Arush. Okay. Python -m pip. Yep, pip install NumPy. There you go.
Oh, you can also
Ooh,
you can also
sorry.
Control C, Control V.
Yes, that's right, David. Python dash. Okay, nothing is happening, is it? So can you just type Python 3 on your terminal? Oh, sorry. It's Python 3, one word, just one word. Ha, this is interesting. Nothing is showing up. Very, very interesting. Oh, what happened here? Ah, okay. So nothing is showing up. Can you go through the installation process again, my friend Arush? Yep. And then there you go.
You can click the arrow and it'll say open when done. You can click that.
Mm-hmm. Thank you, David.
Yep. Oh, take 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
Yeah, that's what
Oh,
David is saying.
I don't have the fastest machine.
no worries.
Neither do I.
Yeah, nor do I. Yeah. Should I do disable path length limit? What does that do? Joe, I hope I'm correctly pronouncing your name. Is it Zoe or Joe?
Sorry, it's Zoe.
It's Zoe. Zoe. Okay. Zoe, where are you? So should I disable path length limit? Where do you see this?
It says setup was successful. And it says it's like it's the setup was successful thing, and I guess there's something you can click on. It says disable path length limit, changes your machine configuration to allow programs to bypass the 260 character max path limitation.
You can disable it. Yeah, it's not a big deal. Yeah, you can disable.
Okay,
And meanwhile, Arush, can you check? So did you already download this file before?
I think so. I have the.
You should have it in your downloads. Yeah. No, that's the IDE.
Yeah.
Yeah, can you check your downloads, please?
Well, I frequently like delete it, so I don't think it's in my downloads. But I think
That's okay. I was like, maybe we could save a few minutes, but it's okay. We can just wait.
Yeah.
5 minutes, 6 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay. Meanwhile, we can see where everyone else is.
Wait, so who is on the what do you say? The Slack.
Who's on the Slack? That's a good question.
So I'm thinking if like anyone who is on, like maybe type that they're here.
That's not a bad idea. Four minutes. So guys, we have 5 more minutes for 4 more minutes. This is the time to catch up. If anyone else is experiencing any other issue, you can let me know. I can hop onto your screen. We can fix that, and then by then Arush might be done. As of now, David is through. So let's maybe we can even time box this, right? So what's the time now?
3:55.
3:55. And also, we're gonna have like a 5 to 10 minute break at 4, and during that period, you can ask questions and catch up too. So.
Oh, sweet. Okay, that's good to know. So we have a break coming up in 5 minutes.
Wait, sorry to interrupt, but how long is this?
How long is the tutorial?
It ends at 5, but we can go later if needed.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fine.
So by 5:10, let's get moving, right? We'll give this. Oh yeah, sorry, 4:10. Yeah, by 4:10, let's get continuing with David, with wherever he is. I think it's all. I can see progress on David's screen, so we can just continue that. Also, anyway, this is all recorded, so you can always follow along. Okay, we can do one more thing. David, you can start sharing your screen.
Okay.
Arush, maybe you can stop sharing. Let us know once you're done. So
All
now.
right, I'll tell you when I'm done.
So let's go back to David, and David is sharing his screen. There you go. Okay, so the next step in the process is step number 3.
Yep.
That is, you need to install Jupyter Lab. So can you go to step 3? There you go. Yeah. Oh, no. Pip install Jupyter Lab. That's all you got to do, my friend.
Type it in the CMD?
Yes.
Oh.
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay.
So pip install Jupyter Lab, and then it's happening. Yep. So all others, if you are where David is, this is what you got to do. Install Jupyter Lab, and then starts downloading, and yay. Yippee.
Wow, this is a big one.
Nice. Okay, everything going smoothly. Arush, how are you doing, mate? How's it going?
Opening in 1 minute.
Yay. Okay. And Zoe, what's happening?
I have downloaded Python and I was having trouble finding something and I finally found it, but I need to catch up in a minute, but it seems to be going.
Sweet. Okay. So David is going good. Arush is going good. Zoe is, and then Ethan, Kevin, Dominic, Sam, Gianna, Ethan, Fam, Dheeraj, and Ananya. Let us know where you are. Let us know if we can help you, if you're stuck somewhere, and all that.
Is it the break right now? Because I'm having some technical difficulties with Python that I'm not sure how to deal with.
All
Yeah,
right,
this
it's opening.
Should I stop
this,
I'll
this is the
wait.
time, my friend.
No.
Can you share your screen? Whoever has the technical difficulty.
Yeah.
Oh, that's me, but I don't know.
Gianna. Okay.
I don't know how to do that.
Oh, sweet. Okay. So to the bottom, do you see share screen? So if you look at the bottom, it says manage participants, share screen, chat, and all that.
Yeah. So
Okay. Can you please select share screen?
do I do desktop or application?
Your entire screen.
Right, but which one is that?
Oh, so the one that you the window that you see right below your entire screen, can you select that?
I don't. It says what would do you want to share, application or desktop?
Click screen.
It doesn't say screen, it just says desktop or application. I'm on my Chromebook. Does that change anything?
You're
Yeah,
on your
Chromebooks might be a bit trickier with the whole thing.
Oh, you're on your Chrome
Desktop,
tab?
because that'll share your entire screen, desktop. If you do application, you can only look at, it'll only share one application. So
Perfect. Yeah. So then desktop
Yeah.
is the option. So it's not just one app, you're sharing your entire screen.
Okay. Am I doing it?
Fantastic. Gianna,
Yeah.
congratulations. There you go.
So
Okay.
download.
Okay. So we can give this a try. Yeah, go ahead and download. This is a tar file, is it? Oh, you're on Chrome OS. Not sure how that will work, but let's give it a shot. Go ahead and open. Yeah.
Did I do it?
No. Nope. You will have to go back to your downloads.
Oh, what is that?
Okay. Yeah, you should not open it. So you should untar it. Can you close this file
Oh man, that was scary.
so that it looks less scary? Yeah, exactly. And you can close blah.html also. Congratulations on your first website, by the way.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. Can you go to your downloads?
Downloads. Where?
Oh, that's a good question.
I hate to interrupt, but I finished. Just so you know.
Arish finished, is it?
Huh?
Okay.
Yeah, I finished, so I'm just waiting.
That's fantastic. Okay, so no worries. This is fine. For now, let us hold off on the Chrome tab, Gianna.
Okay.
I'm sorry. Yeah, so I think this demo generally works for Windows for now. And there's one last thing you can do, maybe, right? So can you re-download that? Let's see what happens. Can you just go ahead and re-download? Downloads Python. Okay. Oh, why did this come up?
It went back to carrot.
Yeah, so, oh, no. You should not select that. So go back and re-download. We will give this like exactly 2 more minutes and then we will see what happens.
Okay, we can I can stay after the Zoom and we can deal with it then.
That's so sweet of you, Gianna. Thank you.
Yeah, because I don't want to stop everybody else.
Okay, alrighty. So let's come back to Gianna. So Arush, hope you're doing okay there. Can you share your screen?
Yeah.
Somehow.
Ananya, hi Ananya.
I shared the password with you.
Okay, upgrade. Customize installation. Maybe you can try that.
Okay.
Nope. Back.
No. Back.
Replaces your existing installation without changing settings. Can you try that? Yeah, can you try that?
Oh, okay.
Okay. All right, this is taking quite a bit of time.
Yeah.
For now, let's get back to David.
Yep. What?
While this happens.
Oh, so wow. But
Wow.
yeah. Hold time out. I finished.
Nice. Can you share your screen? Yep. Yay. All right, sir. Where were we with the instructions? You finished your Jupyter lab, right?
Yep.
Okay, now if you go back to your instructions. Okay. Go to your PowerShell again. Type Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter.
Sorry.
No worries.
Go just copy paste.
Copy paste is easier. I agree with you. Nice background, David.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, there you go. Jupyter Notebook. Select Google Chrome.
Okay.
And then okay.
How about this? Anything?
You don't need that. You can just go okay. Alrighty. Congratulations, David. You are through.
Woo.
You have Jupyter Notebook open now. So now can you again go back to the instructions?
Oh,
just so people will follow along. I can tell you what to do, but it'll all get lost in the audio.
Yeah.
So now there you go. So Jupyter Notebook should open a browser. That got done. Then go to new in the top right, select Python or Python 3, whichever is visible.
What do you mean? In Jupyter?
So exactly, yeah. So please go back to Jupyter.
Let's see.
Go back to Jupyter and
I gotta reorganize this. Okay.
Home page. To the top right, you have new. Do you see new there beside upload? Right above that. Yeah, can you select that? Can you select new?
Oh.
New. Yeah, new. Python 3. Yay. Okay. Fantastic. And then all you got to do is go to my give me 1 second. I'll tell you. Go to the Python file that got shared with you.
What do you mean?
Do you remember Sakshi? I think shared a Python file.
Oh.
Yeah, the demo Python file. Sorry.
Yeah.
I think it was called face detection Python
Yep.
file.
So I
Yes.
want to download this.
Yes, please download that. Also download the hari.xml and harface.xml. Download both of those.
What?
Harface and hari. So today, so you can say keep. Yeah, please select keep. So open that. Oh, it's opening in an exe. Okay, can you click on that, the hat sign? Yeah, there you go. Yeah, that one. Nope.
Oh, Supreeth,
Can
before we go further,
uh-huh.
somebody is saying that after they downloaded everything, when they run Jupyter Notebook, they're getting that Jupyter is not recognized as an internal or external command.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and I think somebody
Same
else.
error. That's the same error that David got for Python, right? So that means it's a path problem. It's a path issue. So who is there? Who's that? Sam, right?
Yes, Sam and Ethan.
Sam and Ethan. Alrighty. So we can start with Sam. Sam, can you please share your screen very quickly?
Sure.
Okay. Alrighty.
I also got this message.
Did not
when I
install package
downloaded
due
it.
to environment. Okay, that's a good observation there, Sam.
And I got it
Congrats.
before too.
Okay. What was that? Could not install package. The system cannot find the file specified. Can you 1 second? Scripts. Downloading. Which version of Windows are you? Oh, you are on Windows 10. Python-m pip install cv Python. This is all correct. Collected packages. To use delete me logic. That's an interesting error. Need to add 3.8 path when downloading. Yes, please add it. Yes. Please add it to the path.
Wait, what do I do?
Ananya, you are right. Yeah, you need to add 3.8 path when downloading.
Sorry, I can't see the chat right now.
Okay, so now back to Sam. Sam, how did you install Python?
I think I already had it downloaded because I pressed the download. I went I clicked this.
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Oh, you can find out in one more way. If you go to your command prompt and then type Python, you can actually do Python 3. Python Python 3. It's just one word. 3 for number 3. Yeah. Enter. Oh, you have the same issue as David had. So you just have to reinstall Python, Sam. Yeah, that's the same issue. Yeah. So just go back to your downloads and then yeah. So no, you don't need to. Yeah, you've already done that. Open that and then add Python. Oh no.
Sorry.
There you go. Yeah. Cancel. That's okay. Yes, select that again.
This?
Oh, yeah, there you go. Yeah, that's the one. Add Python. Perfect. I think you'll be through this. Sam, just follow the rest of the instructions. I think you're through. we got through that issue. Let us know again if you have a problem. I hope Ethan is also able to follow this. Ethan?
My upgrading Python thing is finished, so
Arush, yeah. Arush, you can share your screen.
okay.
I have Python. I have the same problem, but I have Python installed correctly.
Installed correctly? Okay. We will get back to you in just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Setup successful. Close, Arush.
Okay.
And then you can follow the rest of the instructions and let me know what how it behaves.
All right.
Now back to Sam. Okay, let's wait and watch. Oh, that's sad. Can you close this command prompt and open a new one, Arush?
Okay.
Can you try that? Can you do Python? Okay, so can you try Python 3?
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
That's
now
interesting.
It brings up something in Microsoft Store.
Never mind. You will have to uninstall your Python, unfortunately, Arush. You will have to first uninstall your Python and reinstall Python.
All right.
Yeah. So go back to your downloads.
Wait, is there a thing I can just do uninstall Python, or I could just go to control panel and uninstall it from there?
Yeah, Python is a bit more trickier than that. So yeah, you will have to do it through the download. It should hopefully give you a prompt. It should hopefully ask you to uninstall. Can you double click on that?
Okay.
Yeah.
Uninstall?
Yeah, uninstall, exactly.
Okay.
So now try reinstalling it, but now make sure you add the path, right?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You know what I'm talking about, right? Add to path.
Yeah. Yeah, the
okay,
little checkbox at the bottom.
Perfect. Yeah, now back to Sam. Sam, can you share your screen?
All right.
So we will look at Sam. I hope whatever Sam sees holds good for Ethan also, and then let's get back to David. So we will continue the session, because once we get the demo working, then we can go back and try to get everyone else on the same page. But at least we will have one demo working, and you will see what fun is waiting for you guys. Sakshi, you were saying something.
So I downloaded it with the path, and then I wrote Python 3, and I still got nothing. So I'm trying to download it again one more time to see.
Okay, sure, no problem.
Working.
Can you please share your screen, Sam?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Okay, so you added the path, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Do I click this?
You can let it be. It's okay.
Close. Where's my turn?
Yeah, can you try?
Do I have to do the first?
You have to close. You have to close this command prompt. Just to be safe, close the command prompt. Reopen the command prompt.
Okay.
And then do. Can you hit up arrow?
I'm hitting up arrow.
Oh, nothing's showing up. That's okay. You can copy paste it again.
The download.
The instruction number. Yeah, there you go. 1. Python.
Okay, it's working now.
Okay.
I can stop sharing my screen. I think I know how to do it.
Let's see what shows up. Just give it a few more seconds. Okay, and then try installing that. Yep.
Ooh, 2 people now.
Yeah. Okay, even if this errors out, don't freak out because it might be using a cached version. We just have to do one more step and you'll be through.
Okay.
There you go. Yeah, so the same problem, right? Okay, so the copy the okay, hit up arrow twice. Yeah. Oh no. Yeah. So pip dash I think dash reinstall is the one. So before can you hit up again? Yeah. Python -m pip install. Can you try hyphen reinstall before numpy?
Like here?
Yeah, reinstall. I think this is the command in Windows. Can you try that? Enter. Python. Okay, so then hit up again. Remove reinstall. Install numpy. Instead of install, try uninstall. So you have to first uninstall the existing Python pip numpy. Try that. Yeah. Yes. Why? Okay. Now try installing it again. Using cached version. Okay, it's okay. That's fine. Could not install package due to environment error. The system cannot find. Okay, I think there is some issue with your environment, Arush. No, with Sam, right? Sam, yeah. For now, let this be. Let's go back and finish the demo once.
Okay.
And then we will come back to you. So
Okay.
over to you, David. Can you share your screen?
Thank you.
Yep.
No problem. Sakshi, I have a question for you. We can do an all installation session today and then we can reconvene for part 2 and actually get the demo done. That is an option. I'm open, I'm available if you need it. Maybe today we can help out everyone with installation and then we can come back and we can get.
Okay, how many people can stay later today?
I can.
If you can, just put the thumbs up on.
If you have a hard stop, guys, today we can get through all of the installation issues and then we can reconvene. We can just get back together and do the demo.
I think most people are okay with staying late, so you can go ahead and continue with the demo. But also, if people can stay, I can just send out like the same instructions that you had, and if they want help, they can come.
Yeah. All right. So reconvening for another session is not a great option, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, sure, not a problem. Let's get David moving then. Let's see how the demo works. David, can you please open the Python file? The Python file that you downloaded, the face detection.py at the bottom. Yeah, open that. Oh, right. So close that and then It should. No, not here. Go back to the file.
This one?
Can you right click on that?
Oops.
Show in folder. Right click on that. There you go. So open with.
Oh.
You can choose Python, or you can edit with idle. Anything is okay. Yeah. Oh, sure. Python. Yeah. Go ahead. Okay. So then edit with idle. That's what you got to do. Right click. Edit with idle at the top of it. The top. Edit. Yeah. There you go.
Oh.
Yay.
Okay. Sorry.
No worries. No worries.
Where is
Just
it?
copy.
Oh.
Yeah. Just copy all of this. You can copy the whole thing.
All this?
Yeah. Just Control A, Control C.
Yep.
Okay, and then paste it here.
In there?
Yeah, perfect. Perfect. Now go up and scroll up there. You see two paths here, right? One is users Supreeth downloads harface.xml in the red ink.
Yes. This one?
And then and then below you also see another path for ice. Yeah, the Harai. Now you got to replace this link with your file. So wherever your file is. So why don't you right click on harface.xml at the bottom, show in folder, and then right click. Oh, in fact, you can do one more thing. Just say copy. Just hit copy. Okay, and then come back to your Jupyter, and then below face cascade, can you click there? Just paste what you copied. Let us see what happens.
I didn't copy anything.
You did not copy? Yeah, please copy the file. Right click, copy, and then go below face cascade, and then just do Control V.
I think I can't, because copying is only meant for the inside the
Perfect. Okay, so then in that case, I
can only paste in one of these.
No worries. So you can click. You can do right click again. Oh no. You can do right click, so you can close this and.
Wait.
Oh no, you can just close this all the way to the top right. Yeah, just close that. Oh, it's not letting you. Okay, sure. Select Microsoft. It's okay. Okay, yeah, you can ask me later, and then you can close this. You can close all of this. Yeah.
Huh? Close this?
You can. Yeah, you can close this. Yep. Even this. Okay, right click, properties, all the way to the bottom. There you go, sir. Copy that location. Yeah, select that location and copy it.
Okay, I'm gonna here.
Oh yeah, there you go. Yeah, exactly.
Copy this?
Yep, copy this location. So this is the path to this file, David. Okay, this is where your computer has stored this file. So this is the address to that file.
Okay.
So now once you copy it, go back to the code. And then just paste it here. Okay, now replace from C to har face. Replace that with your path.
This one?
No. So in face cascade, do you see face cascade?
Let's see. Oh yeah.
Right? So take your path, copy your path, and then go to C. So this part, maybe I can share my screen and show this to you.
Can you
Okay.
take remote control?
Sorry?
You take control.
Oh, I didn't hear that. Can you repeat that?
Oh, I gave you a remote control so you can.
Oh, really? Is that me doing that? Okay,
Yeah,
sure.
that's you.
Fine. Perfect. So now this is the path that was there on my computer. Okay. I'm not able to select that. Yeah, can you select all the way up till R and then replace it with your path? Yeah, just delete that.
Oh,
Not the not the R. Let the R be there all the way until downloads.
delete that.
Yep. Yay. Okay, and then same with this also. All the way until R. Replace it with your path. It's the same path.
Yep.
Oh, not there. Yeah. Yep. Yay. Okay. Now delete the 2 lines that you actually added to the code. You basically that one. Yeah. Can you delete that? And then can you delete the next one also? Yeah, there also. Okay, guys, let's keep our fingers crossed. Let's hit run and you should see the demo working now. Let's give it a shot. Okay. Oh, only once, my friend. Only once. Yeah. You must see something at the bottom. See what is it? It is actually running. It is running. Do you see anything at the bottom, like a window? Or can you do Alt Tab?
Alt tab.
Oh, there you go. It's working. David, it's working. There you go. Okay, select that window, David.
Oh, I was holding it.
Yay! There you go. Congratulations, David.
Now what?
Okay, so now, okay, it's funny that it's thinking that your nose are also eyes, but at least the face is working, right? So if you move around, can you move around your face? Do various expressions and all that? Yeah! There you go. So face detection is working. Try removing your glasses. Okay. All right. It's almost working. So the eye detection is getting slightly confused. It thinks that your nose is also eyes, your mouth is also eyes, and all that. But there you go. It's fairly good. At least the face detection is working. Can you move your face? Nice. Congratulations, David. You got the demo working, buddy. Ah, you're smart. You're closing your nose. There you go. There you go. Nice. Okay. Sakshi, thank you, David. You're awesome. Thank you so much. Sakshi?
I think I'll keep bookmark it.
Does anybody else want to share what they've done?
Yes. Or else we can see how Sakshi's face gets detected. That also.
No one else wants to share? Okay, sure. I can show mine.
David,
Yes.
How cool was that?
Really cool.
Now imagine, David, imagine putting this program onto a robot. Right? The robot is, imagine, everything is in imagination now. You have a robot right behind you, and then it comes. The moment you come to your house, it detects your face, and then it knows that David is home. Right? So this is first step towards artificial intelligence, right, guys? You guys are all young, and you will be all working in AI in a few years from
I
now.
can't stop this.
I'm sorry?
I can't stop this.
Okay, so the AI has taken over your computer, David. What do you do now?
Close it.
Try closing it. Let's see what happens.
Says leave site, changes you made may not be saved.
Okay, so did your program get closed?
I didn't close it. Should I share my screen?
Yeah, just try sharing it for a sec.
So I'm trying to close this thing, my little picture.
Okay, go to your little picture. Okay, so hit escape. Hit escape. Once you go to the picture, hit escape. And then go to kernel and restart the kernel. That's another way to restart this.
Oh, restart this?
Oh, no, not that. Kernel, all the way to the top. Yeah, right there. Yep. Restart. And then your window should have gone by now.
Yep. Thank you.
No problem. Okay. Anyone else, guys? How's everyone else doing?
So the program's running for me, but it's coming up with the image window it's showing has like a Wi-Fi symbol and then like the HDMI cord symbol.
I see. Can you share your screen?
Unfortunately, I'm working on it. I have Zoom open on an Apple computer, and then the program's on a Windows computer, so that I could actually run it.
Okay. Can you repeat that? I didn't hear that clearly. Sorry. Can you repeat that?
I'm working on two different computers.
Oh, okay.
So.
Oh, I see. I see your point. So you are on the Zoom on a different computer.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. So what do you see then? What is happening?
I see there's like the Wi-Fi symbol, there's the HDMI symbol, and then it's blinking, and sometimes there's an X, and then it shows a blue box. Like it recognizes the face there, and then there's like a circle of doom in the middle, sort of thing. So it's opened an image window, and that's what's in the image window. And the program is definitely running, but and I've added access to.
I will request you one small thing, Zoe. If at all it's possible, turn on the camera on your Zoom laptop and show us your laptop that you're running the demo on. Maybe that's the way. Hi, Zoe.
One second. Hello. Oh,
ooh, what is that? Nice. So this is a Windows laptop. Okay.
Yep.
It would be very easy if you came to Zoom on the same laptop, so you can share the screen and we can work around. And meanwhile, Ananya wants to share her screen. Go ahead, Ananya. Hi, Ananya. Alrighty. Oh ho ho. Jupyter notebook. I think the spelling is wrong, Ananya. It's Jupyter.
I'm trying to run it again, but it isn't running for some reason.
All right, David, we'll come back to you.
Mhm.
Perfect. Ananya, can you hit enter? Oh, I see what's happening. Can you do Control D? Control and D. D for Dennis. Can you try Control C? Okay, can you type exit, EXIT? Enter. Oh, sure, yeah. Exit with a with parenthesis. So you're not on. Oh, I think your shared screen went away, Ananya.
I think your camera crashed. We can't see you anymore.
Oh, there she is. Yeah. Ananya, can you? Oh, you can't see me. Sure. I was quickly grabbing a bite of this trail mix. That's why I had closed my camera. All right.
Oh, sorry, I didn't know. I thought like crashed or
Never
something.
mind.
Okay, sorry.
That's okay. So can you go to your command prompt, Ananya? Yep. Alrighty. Can you try Jupyter Notebook here? Did you download? Did you install the Jupyter Notebook? Oh, I can't hear you, Ananya. You might be muted.
I don't think I did.
Oh, that's okay. That's okay. So, which part of the instructions did you finish? We can go from there. We can start from there.
I didn't get any instructions.
Oh, okay. That's a nice unicorn there. So can you go to your Google Docs, the Google Docs that
In Zoom, she just sent you a chat for Google Docs.
I think Ananya joined a little late, so I can resend it.
Oh.
even I can share the Google Docs link here in Zoom. Copy, go here, and then yeah, there it is. Yep. Ananya, can you please open that? The docs, the Google Docs link?
Yeah, I think David sent it too. So there too.
Fantastic. There you go. Ananya, did you install Python to begin with?
Yeah.
No, right? Oh, you already installed Python? Okay, great. Okay. I see. Okay. So let's give this a shot then. Please go to your command, copy the instruction number 1, python-m pip install. Copy that, go to your command prompt. And then I don't know how everyone else is doing. Who other? Oh, Zoe. Okay. Hi, Zoe. Welcome back. Yay, Ananya, it's working, man. Nice. Good going. Alrighty. And then step 2. Okay, I am waiting to see Ananya's face getting detected now. Meanwhile, some more trail mix. There you go. Pip install Jupyter Lab. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yippee! Ananya, you are on a roll. Okay, there you go. Let it download. Sam, what happened to Sam? Sam, what can you remind me where we were with you?
Something was wrong with my environment, so
Oh, right.
yeah, it gave
Okay,
error message.
we will get back to that. And then Gianna, what happened to Gianna? Chromebook, right? Oh, Gianna is asleep. Gianna is sleeping.
Almost done.
Almost, almost done.
Yep.
That's good. Yep. It's working.
4 more lines, 3 more setups, or 2 more setups?
What's that?
Huh? She has like 2 more setups to do, and then she's done. So
Yes, sir.
one more setup, and then she installs.
Exactly. David, why are you not able to run your demo now?
So I noticed that when I did it, it said that if you restart, it will all variables will be lost.
No.
I don't know if that means anything, but I pressed run again, and then I couldn't find the camera turn on anymore.
Even with Alt Tab?
Yes.
We will see that. It should be running. It didn't error out, right? There was no error.
No.
Okay. Then it should be hiding somewhere there.
So is that it?
Ananya, so why don't we see anything happening there? Can you press enter? Interesting. You just have to wait a bit. Maybe it's setting the paths and all that. Meanwhile, can you open another command prompt? Yep. Try typing Jupyter notebook and see what happens. JUPYTER space notebook. Let's see what happens. Nice. There you go. Google Chrome. Okay. It will redirect you. And then you have to go to new to the right. All the way to the right. Yeah, Python 3. Perfect. Oh, there you go. And then go back to the file, the Python file that you downloaded, the face detection Python file. It might be somewhere there, yeah. I think you stopped sharing, Ananya.
No.
Yep. Download all of those 3 files. File 1, file 2, file 3. Yay. And then keep all the way to the bottom. Keep. There you go, right there. Yeah, below that. It says this. Yeah, there you go. Okay. Open this. Can you open that? Oh, the same problem. Okay. Can you click that again? And then say show. Oh, no. Show in folder. Show in folder. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, so now right click that. Oh, right click, not double click. Yay, edit with idle. Right click, edit with idle, and then edit with idle. Yep, it's happening. Waiting to see Ananya's face detected now. Copy all of this, Control A, Control C, and paste it here. And then David, can you tell her what to do from here? You can give it a try, and then I can help you.
I think she goes to her oh boy. Her oh my god.
No worries. Okay, I'll do this. So Ananya, so you see harface.xml, right? In your file, in your downloads menu at the bottom. Yeah, can you select that? Show in folder. There, right click, and then properties at the bottom. There you go, and then location, and select that location. Copy that location. Yeah, there you go. So this is where this file got downloaded onto your computer. So you need to copy the whole location from C to downloads, all of that. Yeah. Yep. So you copied it?
Yes.
Perfect. Okay, now go back to your code. Alrighty. So now replace that path that you copied all the way until hardface.xml. Yeah, that part. Make sure you keep the colon. Yeah, there you go. Until hard, not hard also. So from C to downloads, all of that. Not hard. So yeah, there you go. Yep. And then perfect. Do the same for your eyes also. The semicolon, the colon, not the colon. What do you say? The quote. No, Control Z. Yep. Replace that. Fantastic. Okay, now hit run and let's see how your face gets detected. Only once. Yeah, please run it only once, and then do Alt Tab. Oh, there she is. Okay, can you select that? Oh, Big Ben. Now Alt Tab and select that. Oh, Okay, minimize all of this. It's okay. You can minimize all of this. And then let us see. Oh, I think your screen share went away, Ananya.
My screen. Okay.
Yeah, can you please re-share your screen? There you go. And then Alt tab.
Is it this?
I can't see. All I see is a black screen, Ananya.
I'm able to see it, and it's working.
Oh, it's working, Sakshi?
Yeah,
I
it looks
can
really
also see
good.
it.
Okay, what do you see? What do you guys see now at the moment?
It's working just like what it did for me.
Yeah.
Oh, is that what you guys see now at the moment?
Yeah,
Yep.
I can take a screenshot.
Oh, look at this. Yeah, Sakshi, that will be great. That's a great idea. Can you please take a screenshot?
Yeah, Ananya, just stay put.
Ananya, say cheese.
Okay, perfect.
Alrighty. Because all I could see was just a blank screen. That's what I'm currently seeing. Oh, ho, ho, there she is. Okay. Alrighty. Yay. Okay, now is a good time to take a screenshot. I'm going to take a picture.
Okay. I just took one, so.
Alrighty. Congrats, Ananya. You got your demo working. Good job.
Thank you.
Okay. You're awesome. Okay, great. And Sakshi, you should take a screenshot of David's demo also.
Oh yeah. David, do you want to show us?
And here is Zoe with her
Mine
laptop.
doesn't work. Mine doesn't work right now.
Oh, really? Let's see about that. I think it should work. Come on, we can give this a try. Can you share your screen? Or I can also help Zoe. Zoe just came in. Okay, can you hit run? Oh, see that? It's actually running already. All the way to the top.
One thing, so that happened to me too. I think you can try reloading and then running it again.
Yeah, just try restarting the kernel.
Restart this?
Yep. Restart. And then scroll up. Okay, sir, hit run. Only once. Okay, and Alt tab.
Just try reloading your page, like the tab that you're in.
Yeah, you can try that also. By any chance, is your camera on, David?
Huh?
Is your camera okay? Your camera is not on. All right. Oh, that's the reason. Can you turn off your camera? Dominic, thank you. Thanks for joining. So it's still running, is it? Can you scroll up, David? David, can you scroll up? Okay, so that's not running. Maybe you have to reopen Jupyter Notebook. So you can close this. Yeah, just close that. And then open Untitled. Yeah, there you go. Can you select Untitled? Can you check that? And then when you select that, shut down. Yeah, and try reopening it. Oh, no. Just open it. Yeah. Zoe, I'll come back to you. Oh, what's happening there? Okay, maybe, you know what? I think I know what's happening. Go back to your command prompt and restart Jupyter. Yeah, just kill this. Control C. Yeah, Control C again. Perfect. Hit up arrow. It should show up the Jupyter notebook, basically, or you can type Jupyter notebook. That also works.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Yep. Enter. It will go take you back to Chrome and all that. And then open untitled dot, yeah, that one. And hit run. Let's see. I think it should work.
Oh.
Yay! Sakshi, now is the time.
Great.
Oh, can I not get my video taken? Picture taken?
Oh yeah, of course. If you're not okay with that, we won't do it.
Yeah, thanks.
What's that?
He doesn't want us to take his picture.
Oh, really? Sorry. David, all right. Sure, no problem.
Sorry.
No worries. Alrighty. But congratulations, you got it working.
Yep, thank you.
Aha. Okay, so now back to Zoe.
Yeah, so I haven't improved anything. It's still
What's that?
Image. I haven't fixed anything. It's the same image. Nothing's changed.
Okay. Yeah, can you please share your screen?
I've restarted.
Okay.
You have to unshare the other screen first, please.
Yeah, David, can you stop sharing?
Oh, sorry.
And I've.
Oh, nice. I like this. Yeah, so you can hit escape. Okay, cool. Can you go all the way to the top? Let's see what's happening there.
What do you mean? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, can you please scroll up? Yeah, okay. So you have correctly given the paths. Mm-hmm. Hit run and see. Let's see what happens. Just hit run.
Are you still?
It's not talking. But.
Ah, interesting.
Yeah. So I have one theory. We often connect this laptop to a second camera, and so it might be.
Oh, maybe your camera is not there. So can you connect this to another camera then? In that case, do you have a camera?
I think so. Well,
like
this
a
has
USB
a
camera.
But I also can't find in settings where to change the camera.
Oh, there you go. I think
no problem. It says Python is currently using the camera.
Can you scroll up? Allow apps to access your camera is on.
Yeah.
Cortana, Python. Currently in use, okay. Can you scroll up a little bit? And then, no, a little bit more. change. Can you select change?
Yeah, that's all. So.
Is this some kind of an office laptop or something? Or is it a home laptop?
It's a
Because
home
sometimes cameras are actually disabled, on purpose for privacy reasons.
So we do have some privacy stuff on here but hold on. How do we do this? But I can.
You can also connect another camera.
I have this camera working, as you can see. Like, it works with
Zoom. Oh, okay. Do you have another camera connected to your laptop at the moment?
No.
No, right? Okay, so that's interesting. Can you shut down this camera? I mean, whatever stream you're seeing, can you turn that off? Okay, and then go back to the code. You can hit escape. We might not be able to fix this. This is a very specific privacy setting on your laptop.
Yeah.
So yeah, you can try restarting it. Yep. Or in case you have another camera that you can connect to the laptop, that also would work. We can do that also.
So now it's not open in the other window. So
even if you hit run.
Yeah.
You might have to. Oh, there it is again. Okay, Zoe, maybe it's a something with your laptop camera.
Yeah.
If you have another camera, you can connect it and we can see, or else I think the demo is working. You can use a secondary camera. Only difference is in the code, if you scroll up, you will have to make one small change.
Okay.
That change is, instead of video capture 0, you might have to do video capture 1 when you change your camera. You can give it a try now also. You can just try 1 instead of 0 and then see what happens.
I don't know if this works, but I copied and pasted all the code from the Jupyter and placed it in REPL, and then for some random reason it's actually running.
Oh, okay.
So
if you do what?
Huh?
You copied and pasted it where? Oh, in REPL. I see.
Yeah. Oh no, you can't open the camera. Never mind.
Oh, okay.
Never mind.
Yeah.
That might work. Okay, I'll try.
You have to hit escape, Zoe.
Oh, okay. Oh.
Yeah. Now try running it. Okay. Alt tab.
There it's going.
Yay! Congratulations, Zoe. There you go. Good job.
Cool.
Yay! Are you okay with your screenshot being taken?
Sure.
Sakshi, be my. Please do the honors.
Yes. Okay. 3, 2.
Okay. Congrats, Zoe. So we got Zoe running, we got David running, and then we got Ananya running. That's fantastic. That's very good. I think some of you might have Macs. I'm sorry about that. And then I think one of them had a Chromebook. I don't know who that was. I forgot. Unfortunately, that was bad. Arush, where were we, buddy?
Well, I just finished installing
Fantastic.
the stuff on pip.
Oh, okay.
So
Can you share your screen? Can we help you?
All right.
Okay. Let's do this.
Sure.
Let's do this. Come on. Okay.
Right,
I'm going to snack on more trail mix in the meantime.
Yep.
Where are you?
I just finished installing everything from pip. So yeah.
Did you open Jupyter Notebook?
I'm not really sure how to. Well, I installed Jupyter Lab from pip. I don't know Jupyter Notebook.
Perfect. Go to your command prompt.
All right.
Jupyter Notebook.
Just Jupyter Notebook. That's it.
Yeah. JUPYTER.
Okay.
Space Notebook. Enter. Yay!
All right.
And then new.
New.
Python 3. And then go back and download your 3 files from Slack.
I have them in my downloads folder.
Fantastic. And then
here and here.
Excellent. So face detection.py. Oh, why is it .py.py? That's interesting.
Oh, well, one of them is probably the rename and the other one is the extension.
Right. Can you rename and remove the extra .py? Okay, fantastic.
There you go.
Now right click and edit with idle. Okay. Select everything. Control A, Control C.
All right.
Go back to your Jupyter cell. So guys, each one of these is actually called a cell. So that one. You can go there and paste your code right in the middle of this. Yeah, exactly. This is called a cell. Each one of these is called a cell. Now replace the two paths in red with where your files have got downloaded. So now go back.
Okay.
So you showed me where the downloads were, right? Yeah. Yep.
What? How will it show the path and everything?
You can do that way also. Yeah, you can select that. You can click that. That's not the full path. Maybe you can just right click on.
I can just. Well, I could just write it. I could go to this PC, C drive, or maybe not. I'm not sure. Yeah.
Yeah, just the easiest way to do it is right click and properties.
Right here.
No, on
Face detection?
No, on the HAR XML, on the XML. It doesn't matter. Any of these is okay, but
Perfect.
XML is what you're trying to copy. Properties, and then properties.
Excuse me, but my parents are wondering when the class is going to end.
Hi, Kevin. So can you repeat that?
Location?
Yeah, that's the one. Arush, yes, go ahead. Yep, that's right.
My parents were wondering when the class was going to end.
Oh, they're wondering when the class is going to end. Technically, we are done. We got the demo working, and I can quickly tell you in like 5, maybe can you tell them like 10 more minutes? Is that okay?
Okay.
Okay, 10 more minutes. I will actually tell you what the code is doing, so it'll help you. Arush, I think the forward slash should be replaced with the backward slash.
Oh, oops.
No. It's the other way around.
What? Oh, okay.
In the top, yeah, that one, yeah.
Okay, that was the
Oh no, yeah.
Yeah.
Can you hit run?
Run.
And Alt Tab.
Wait, I just ran.
Oh. Okay.
Wait,
I think your camera is being used. Can you shut? Can you switch off your camera?
Yeah, I just did. All right. So I'm gonna restart, right? What?
No. Restart.
Restart. Run.
Perfect. Run.
Alt.
Oh, I think you did not. Yeah, you need to select this cell and hit run.
Oh.
Yes. Select this cell.
Okay.
Yeah, hit run.
Run.
And Alt Tab.
Tab. Oh, here it is.
Oh.
It's upside down because I have my laptop is upside down because yeah, it's one of those laptops that can bend over.
Yeah, can you make it?
Yeah.
Can you make it correct? Can you?
All right. Not really sure how I would do it. I can just unplug everything and then do it.
Arush, you're about to fall down now. We have to come catch you.
Okay, so I think I have to go now.
David, going?
No, I have to go.
All right, David, thanks for joining. I hope you enjoyed this.
Thank you.
Can't hear anything.
All righty. Bye-bye. All right, Arush, something is happening, buddy. Oh, Ethan says mine is working. Congrats, Ethan.
What? Okay, I can hear you now.
You can't hear me now?
Well, now I can hear you.
Okay, so can you hit escape? Can you please? Yeah, please click on the image and then hit escape.
1 second, I gotta mute someone. I need to mute for a second.
Sure. Ethan, is it working, buddy?
Yes, it is.
Okay. Can we see you? Can we see you getting detected?
Yes.
So escape.
If you're okay, only if you're okay.
Okay, I need to.
You need to share, right?
Yes. But.
Okay. We can ask Arush to stop sharing for a sec. Close the program, Arush. Yeah. Close the program again.
I can't hear anyone again. Oh, that's because I'm mute. Never mind. Okay.
Oh.
So I was here. It's not responding.
Yeah. Can you hit escape?
I am.
Oh, you already hit. Okay. Can you close that?
Okay.
And then close the program.
All right.
All right. Kernel restarting. Sure. You can restart the kernel.
Okay. I'm gonna select the cell. Run.
Yeah, and then hit run. Alt tab. Oh, I think your camera is occupied.
Huh?
I think your camera is occupied. Is your camera occupied? Are you?
I don't think so.
Eyes. Oh. What's the error? What's the error?
Connection to the notebook.
Okay. So you got to restart the notebook and just do this again. Just run again. So go to your command prompt, restart the notebook, and restart Jupyter.
Okay.
Meanwhile, Ethan, maybe you can share your screen. Arish, you can probably temporarily stop sharing, like for like 1 minute. Okay, Ethan. Oh, we saw a face there. Yay, Ethan, congratulations. Nice. Good one, buddy. Good job. Do you mind a picture, a screenshot being taken of yours?
No, I don't mind.
Sakshi, please do the honors. More faces, the better it is. Sakshi, we are waiting.
I have to save the other picture. So.
Oh, okay, sure. Nice one, Ethan. Congrats.
Thank you.
Can you do some moves? Alrighty.
Okay.
There you go.
2, 1. Yeah, I'm gonna take another one because they thought your mouth was your eye. So, okay, 3, 2, 1.
I think there's not enough light to the right side of the face. Yeah, there you go. Almost there.
Okay, I got a good one. So
you got a good one. Okay, thank you, Sakshi. Thanks, Ethan. Good job, mate.
Oh.
All right, Arush, we are back to you, buddy. So how many did we get working, Sakshi?
I'm not sure. I wasn't counting, but I think mostly everyone's.
Okay. All right. So if Arush, you can let us know where you are.
Okay, I'm just I'm just putting the path back in.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we got like 10 to work, which is pretty good. So.
Oh my God, that's amazing. Is that real, Sakshi?
Yeah. I counted everyone who left too. So.
That's nice. That's very optimistic. All right. So now what I can do is I can share my screen and I can go over the code very quickly. I can tell you what's happening in this code, right? So basically we are literally doing face detection as you saw the demos. In Python, there are a few things that you need to know, or in any programming. There are some things, there are entities called libraries. So CV2 is computer vision library. Each library will give you access to various functionalities. For example, in this case, CV2, which is the OpenCV library, gives you access to functionalities like using these machine learning models and to capture your video here, and then to detect faces, right? This is the function that actually detects your face and eyes, detect multi-scale. And then once you actually do the detection, how the program actually understands your face as a box. Like that's what you see, right? The yellow box. That is equivalent to a face for your program. That's how it understands your face. And it's represented using the corner of the box, which is x comma y, and then width of the box and height of the box. So using these, what you do is you actually draw the rectangle on your camera image right here in this piece of code. You're actually drawing the rectangle. Likewise, you're detecting the eyes here, drawing the rectangle for the eyes, and then finally you're showing the image stream and you see all the boxes being displayed. That's what is happening here. Cascade classifier. So this is where machine learning comes into picture. So these XML files, these have been generated after the program was trained on hundreds of thousands of faces. How does your program know that this is a face when it looks at a face, right? So what does your face have? It has two eyes, it has a nose, it has a mouth, it has eyebrows, it has ears, and it has a hairline, and then it has a beard line, jawline, and all that. So when you train your machine learning model across hundreds of thousands of faces, it begins to learn what a face looks like. For example, if you brought a dog's face here, and if I was holding a dog, this program wouldn't work, because this has been trained to work on human faces. You can do dog face detection, not a problem, but you have to train for it. You have to train the model. You have to give like 600,000 images of dog faces and then follow a procedure and train it. And the next time the dog face gets detected. So that's the AI aspect of what we did today. You have a classifier. It's called a classifier. You are doing classification and detection of faces. Classification means to say whether your image has your object of interest or not. In this case, our object of interest is a face. And classifier, what a classifier does is it tells you whether your image has a face or does not have a face. For example, now the image does not have a face. My image does not have a face. So the classifier would be like, hey, I don't see a face. And then when I come back here, it's like, I see a face, right? So that's the job of a classifier. Once classifier tells you that there is a face, then the next question is, where is that face, right? Where is the face in your image? That is where the detection comes. So going back to the code, detect multi-scale. See, it detects faces of different sizes in the input range. These are some of the parameters that you can play around with when you have time. And but this is what we are doing. Basically, we are capturing a live video from your cameras and your laptops, and then we are using these machine learning models, artificial intelligence models, to classify and detect face as well as eyes in the video. That's what you're actually doing. So now if I stop my camera, right, let me stop video and then let me run my code. Guys, do you see this? Sakshi, do you see this?
Yep.
Okay, so this is what a classifier and a detector is doing. It is telling me that there is a face in this image, and then this is where roughly the face is. This is where my eyes are, and the moment I go there, you don't see my face. So a face should be fully visible for this model to work. And then again, sideways, you have to train. The more number of variations of the face you give for the training of your machine learning model, the more robust it becomes. What is robustness? Robustness is, does it work now? Does it work now? No, it does not. So it's not very robust, right? This is called occlusion. In computer vision, when you show only a part of your object of interest, you say that the object is occluded. My hand is occluding my face now. The moment I remove my hand, you can see the code works, the machine learning works. Now it doesn't. So occlusion is a problem. So the model is not robust. Occlusion is not robust to variation and different lightings, for example. See, there you go. That's not getting detected. It's struggling. So generally, this is the rule for machine learning. More variations you give to the training, the more it learns and the more robust it becomes. And I think it's time for a final selfie, Sakshi. Can you take my selfie?
Sure.
Or rather a screenshot, not a selfie.
Yeah.
I think it's starting to work for me. The thing is.
Oh, Arush, we are waiting. We want to see your face.
Should I share my screen?
Okay, as soon as Sakshi finishes taking my screenshot. Okay, thank you. Thanks, Sakshi. I'll stop sharing. All right, buddy, Arush, it's your turn. Show us how your face is getting detected.
There's a reminder for Rahul.
That's my
Oh, look at that. Look at that. So now you can see that it is this model is robust to earphones also, the headphones also. Even though Arush is wearing headphones, it's not confusing the model. So that's good. Arush, are you okay with your screenshot being taken?
Yeah, I'm fine with that.
Okay, Sakshi.
All right.
This is the final selfie for the session.
All right.
Yes, I got it.
All right.
Yay! Awesome. Okay, thank you, Arush.
All right.
Any questions, guys? Feel free to ask me, like what questions you might have. How do you think this demo was, and what do you feel? What did you learn? What was exciting about it? Feel free to share. Let me know. I'm listening. No response. Everyone is sleeping.
It was fun. Thank you. I learned a lot.
Ethan, thank you so much. I'm glad you enjoyed it.
It was pretty fun.
Pretty fun. Thank you. Alrighty. Any questions? What do you think? I mean, where do you think we can? Okay, I have a question for you guys. Where do you think we can use this technology? Where all can you imagine? Where will this be helpful?
Maybe like security or security, I guess.
Security is one.
Yeah. If you want to open
security
something.
is one place. What are the place in your house? How can you use it?
For your phone.
Yeah. Who said that answer?
Me, Ananya.
Ananya, thank you, Ananya. That was a good answer. Okay. Any more answers? Feel free to unmute yourself and shout out where can you use this technology.
Like the facial recognition on your phone, and maybe to like track certain people.
There you go. Yeah.
Like
Gianna, that was a good answer. I can give you a fun application. Fun application is you have your pet robot in the house. It greets you when you come home, right? It needs to know that you're home, and it comes, and maybe as soon as you come home, it comes and gives you your favorite drink, like, I don't know, your Kool-Aid or Coke, Pepsi, or whatever, right? Or orange juice. So you can, wherever you need AI, artificial intelligence, to detect you and recognize you, you can use all over those places. In your car, you can use it in your car. Imagine the moment you sit in the car, if it can recognize your face and detect your face, and you always like the AC to be set at a particular temperature in the car whenever you get into the car, and the moment you get in, the car will know you are in, and it'll set the right AC. That's one more application. So you have various applications. Okay, I think it's time for today's session. Sakshi, over to you.
Yeah, thank you so much for coming. Obviously, a lot of people have left since this ended pretty late. But before we go, it would be really awesome to take a group photo. So if you can, please switch on your camera. And Jupiana, can you stop sharing?
Oh yeah, sure. There you go.
So we have one person. Can at least one other person share switch on their camera?
I can.
Great. Okay, awesome. Okay. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Perfect.
Nice.
Okay, thank you guys so much for coming. And if you're here and you haven't signed up for our hackathon yet, you definitely should. If you're interested, you can contact me on Slack and I'll send you the link for registration. So thank you guys. Have a nice day. Bye.
Have a nice day, guys. Have fun. Thanks for joining.
Thank you.
Okay.